Hi, my name is Ernesto and I'm a Forex algo trader with years of live trading experience and positive results using Statistical Edge and EAs. I'm one of the best retail algo traders in the world with a solid tracking record you can verify, and today I want to share my knowledge and connect with more traders so we can grow together. Okay, I'm just finishing what I think it's a good model. Let's go to the numbers, to the easy numbers. As you can see, this is the one that I'm working currently. I need to update only this one. Let's see when it finishes. But let's review in overall. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm working with this new one, and I'm already at 20 in the zoom and almost 3 in the average. I guess I can, no, I don't know, maybe. But overall is the best one I am getting. As you can see, I'm marking this drawdown of the past model because this was a very unclean drawdown, as we can see. Because even though we're testing the same month, the same year, sorry, the months are different. So the idea is that the first or the lowest month is the one that acts as the biggest risk, because if you start that exact day, that's the day that the EA places the first order, so means that's the day that you start counter trending, you know, so price will move up or down, and if you start later it should be less risk. But with this type of model it's not working that way, and as you can see now I'm closing very efficient, even though these are the same month, different days, but as you can see, even though they have the same drawdown, profit is way lower. This happens because mainly you place the order here, but price is kept in range until the 26th, and that day is when boom, price spike that same day. So things happen that you cannot close the same amount of profit. I need to check that, see what's happening, but it's very clean to have at least something that when time passes, drawdown it's getting reduced, you know, because this probably means that I'm closing around December, because the last month that I'm opening, the last test I'm doing this month is in November, so probably it's closing in December. That's why all of the months are getting stuck there. So maybe August is getting stuck, that's why this happens. That's, we could say, the worst month to test, not per drawdown but per the move. Like, it was very unexpected after the big range, so that would be important. So let's see what happened here. Let's update, will be here. This is just as simple as it can get. Like, you don't need anything else to create a very good model. This is what I use and pretty much what I do to trade live. This is the base of any model. Once you know the risk in the worst economic scenarios like these ones, 2013, 2011 and COVID, like, at least you know your max risk. From there you can do anything, like add indicators, like just trade a little bit more aggressive. My margin will be 100% in those scenarios, but you can apply less equity, same risk, or more risk to the same equity, because this won't happen every time. As you can see, there's a gap of at least 2 years between 2011 and 13 scenarios, and then 7 years. So it's very unexpected, but can happen. So it's very important to have something modeled to these scenarios. So it reduces a little bit the drawdowns in general, and the profits, as you can see, are very good. Even in sustained long trends, you're able to get out with a very decent amount of profit. So as mentioned, this is not close profit or loss, sorry, or realized losses. This is only the risk. So closing 4 times, 3 times, 6 times more than the risk is very good. I just need to work with these 2 years that are, one is COVID and the other is, well, one is the start of COVID and the other is the worst drop in gold history. So very important to optimize for those ranges. As you can see, I have these green lines here. That means that I'm not closing profits, well, trades that enter in profit, then go back to drawdown and then back to profit, but I close them until the very end. So the idea will be to have something more dynamic that doesn't stop. Like, as you can see, it happens. Even this is 2013, this is 2020, it happens similar. So I need to fix a lot of things, but this is the base. This works and anyone can do it. So just check how simple it is. Have a great day.